Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Lenovo V-Series V15 15.6-inch laptop, a practical machine built for work, school, and everyday productivity. This laptop comes equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a fast 512 gigabytes SSD, giving you smooth performance when multitasking between apps, browser tabs, and large files. Whether you're handling spreadsheets, attending virtual meetings, or streaming content, it keeps things running efficiently. Powering it is an AMD Ryzen 7 processor with 8 cores and strong boost speeds, delivering solid performance for business tasks and light creative workloads. The 15.6-inch Full HD display offers clear visuals and comfortable viewing for long sessions, and the built-in numeric keypad is especially helpful for anyone working with data or accounting tasks. In terms of connectivity, you get multiple USB ports, HDMI, and an Ethernet port for stable wired internet access. It also runs Windows 11 Pro, providing enhanced productivity and security features for professional use. While it's not designed as a high-end gaming or heavy graphics machine, it delivers dependable performance for everyday demands. Overall, the Lenovo V15 is a reliable, business-focused laptop that balances performance, storage, and value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.